How to share your phone sound Bluetooth broadcast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here, click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connections. After click on Connection, click on Bluetooth. After click on Bluetooth, click on this three dot icon. After click on this three dot icon, you will see first option is broadcast sound using. After click on, so if you want to share, so click on start broadcast. If you want to allow more devices such as hearing, and so if you want to allow improve compatibility, turn on this button. After turn on this button, go back to home screen. So that's how you can share your phone sound Bluetooth broadcast on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.